She didn't look happy a while ago. Yeah. Right. So I came in here just to buy rice and oil because my mom said that you see when you don't have something, she ain't cooking. They ain't cooking. She said stubborn. She won't even grill. She won't even bake. Not doing it. So she wanted oil. Came in here, got the oil. I know there's no syrup, but I don't know anything about the syrup. So I had to come get her rice. I got coconut oil for myself, and I got, let's say, coconut water for myself, and so on. I was thinking of making some barbecue sauce for the children. Some barbecue chicken with green beans and potatoes, if they would like it. So I don't know if they'll like that. We'll see. Oh, they have Japanese barbecue sauce. I didn't know that. Okay, see? I'll be good all this time. And I was talking to you. Anyway, I'm just getting a few stuff so far. Let's see what I got so far. So far, I got this peanut punch. This is a Jamaican brand called Grace, and I got the peanut punch. I think it's made in Jamaica too. I got some organic lemons. These parboiled rice is good. And just a few things because I went grocery shopping last week, but it seems I forgot some important items like oil and rice. So this memory of mine. I can't eat the red kidney beans anymore. I can eat the pinto beans. Yeah, I can eat pinto. I love these. These are good vegetarian meals. This is garbanzo. Yeah, you can make beans recipes for vegetarian meal. My mom liked Mahatma. See that? She loved that. And yeah, she loves Mahatma. She loves Mahatma. Yeah, but all right, let's get out of here. Let's go get some deodorant while we're in here because I know I need deodorant. I do. My grandchildren like this soup. They like this. They love it. Always asking, can you go buy that? Can you walk with me? They have their own money because they know grandma not gonna get it. They're like, can you walk with me to go get it, grandma, please? This soup. All right. There's somewhere here I can get the deodorant. Let's see. Buddy. Deodorant. I'm looking for deodorant. Ain't gotta have lotion already. These things so expensive. Oh, up here. I walked past it. We have toothpaste already. Ooh, the Sensodyne is $7. That's good crap. I want to get my grandkids these toothbrush. I think they brush their teeth more when they have the motor ones. Let me buy one this week, and then every week I buy somebody. I think this is a motor one. Let's get one for the boy first. I think it's motor. She'd say 25 times more brushes. Yeah. I can buy one each week. Things too expensive. I told these kids to have one grandbaby. They have 6. So now I have to do it each week. I can't buy deodorant. But this is men deodorant. I want women deodorant. Let's see.